Today we'll be looking at this parcel that's been sent to me by Bitcoin Merch for the process of testing some of their products and demonstrating them. So thanks for Bitcoin Merch for sending this out. Now there will be some links in the description and some discount codes if any of this stuff is interesting to you. So first there's a couple different things. There's these cases. Now these cases here go with the Bitaxe Gamma. So I'll give you a quick look at what they look like. Look like 3D printed cases with some screws. Now I do have a Bitaxe Gamma just here, which we can have a look and see how it connects and how it fits in. So you can see that it just fits in like that. And the port lines up with the power supply port just there. And these screws, I imagine are supposed to screw into each of the spots to keep that more secure. But it's a lot better than just having it sitting somewhere, because the back of these do heat up. So that's a cool little thing that would help out with any Bitaxe Gammas that you have. This is specifically for the Bitaxe Gamma 601. So now the next thing in here is some more of those cases for the Bitaxe Gamma. They come in many different colors, so that's pretty cool. Now there's one other thing in here to show you. I'll move all this bubble wrap first, but it is the Bitcoin Merch Gold Nugget. So we'll have a look at this one. Besides those, I got the usual things that I usually get, some Venezuelan money and a Bitcoin. And then you've obviously got the new pool that Bitcoin Merch have started running. Anyway, maybe one day the Venezuelan money might be actually worth face value. That'd be pretty good. Or face value in US dollars, but very doubtful. Anyway, let's have a look at the Gold Nugget. So, as you saw, came very well packaged. Lots of bubble wrap. And then it's also in this case. Now, it does have a cord. Let's have a look to see how long the cord is. So that cord length isn't actually too bad. I'll plug that into a power supply so we're ready to go. But it's a lot better than some cords. I've seen some cords you see that are only like this amount of length here. But this, yeah, it definitely is a lot longer. So in another video, we'll show you how to set it up. But otherwise, if you've already got one of these and you want to do it yourself, there's a setup guide there with a QR code. So the Gold Nugget. Another cool 3D printed case. This one actually allows it to stand up like that. Has a little SD card port in the bottom, it looks like. And then two types of power connectors. So it can either use USB-C or I believe that's micro USB. So that's interesting. I don't know if both of them work or if one's for a different function, but we'll see at least if the USB-C, which was provided with it, powers it on. Cool, so as you can see, it's also got a QR code on the screen, which would, I imagine, help out with setting it up. Just see if it goes past this screen here. Now there is an orange light on the back. And there doesn't seem to be any physical buttons or any touchscreen capabilities, but we'll give that a moment, just see if it goes any further. Otherwise, if that's all we're going to see, in the next video I'll show you how to set it up. So if you want to subscribe, just wait for that next video to come out, and hopefully we can set one of these up. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Doesn't seem like this is going to go any further, so we'll have to set this up in the next video, and thanks for watching.